our hearts beat to the city's
Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to introduce these two lovely speakers, none other than Bernice Moments and LA Covers. We aim to inspire, motivate, and encourage someone's heart and soul. Napagkasunduan po naming tatlo na muling magsama-sama dito naman po sa aking YT channel. Talaga pong napakasarap lang sa pakiramdam na may mga tao po na kahit hindi pa natin nakikita man lang sa personal, subalit nararamdaman po natin sa kanila ang nabuumapaw na support at pagmamahal. Kaya naman po, super plus talaga ako dahil nakilala ko po sila. Sana po'y magustuhan niyo ang sasabihin namin tatlo.
Hello everyone, I'm Rayan of LA Covers and etc. And I do believe that life is the best gift from God, that we are created in His own image and we are His best masterpiece. So we need to live like Him. Be humble, be patient, never complain in every hardships we're facing throughout our life's journey. Instead, we should fight for it with God's grace and guidance, because God's love for us is incomparable and will endure forever. All we need to do is to have a strong faith in Him. Be faithful, be prayerful, and be grateful in every blessings we receive each day. Live life with God, just God, and with only one God, because God is the source of life, and God is our life. God bless us all.
Isang mapagpalang oras sa iyo, magandang binibini, Teacher Jen, at sa lahat ng iyong mga taga-subaybay. Bernice Moments is on air, and this is one of my insights about life. Life is a joke, so don't take it seriously. Sabi nga sa kanta, diba? Oh, baby, kalma. Baby, kalma. O, diba? Kalmahan nyo lang. Lalo na kung may mga tawagan na baby dyan. Kalmahan nyo lang talaga kasi baka baby tawan ka rin yan. Char lang. When we learn to laugh at life's absurdities, we begin to see the humor in our struggles. We realize that everyone else is just as lost as we are, and that's okay. It's okay to make mistakes. In fact, laughter can be a powerful tool for growth and connection. When we laugh at ourselves and our mistakes, we become more relatable, more human. So let's not take life too seriously. Let's learn to laugh at ourselves. Let's find the humor in every situation.
Keep in mind everyone, awit 145 verse 19, bawat kailangan ng taong tapat at may takot sa kanya, kanyang tinutugon, at kung nagigipit ay hinahango sila. Once again, God is just watching us far from a distance. He's working behind the scenes. He knows what is simply the best for me, for you, and for everyone else out there. To all the people out there, no matter how difficult or complicated life is, just keep up the good work. Why? Because one day, everything will be okay. It's a simple reminder from yours truly. Sana po ay nagustuhan niyo po ang mga sinabi namin ng aking mga kaibigan, none other than Sissy Loves Bernice Moments and Sissy Loves LA Covers. Keep safe everyone. God bless us all.